Winter. It's a tough time for your plants. They need more than just a little extra care. They need a strong foundation to survive the cold. As the temperature drops, growth slows, but strong, healthy roots make all the difference. The key isn't in more water or continuous feeding. It's the right nutrients now, so your plants develop deeper roots and stay strong through winter. When planting your cool season flowers, veggies or trees, mix in a powerful organic formula that works beneath the surface. It boosts root and plant growth, promotes steady development, and feeds your garden for up to 3 months. Packed with sedimentary soft rock phosphates and high levels of calcium, it gives plants exactly what they need to thrive, without bone meal or animal remains. Plus, it's water-wise, eco-friendly, and safe for people and pets. Choose BioRock Root Builder from Atlantic Fertilizers and fuel your garden's growth during the cool seasons.